bad boy down to start regasketing it. All the accessory drive stuff is coming off. This motor's from a 97. It's going in a 2000, so we're using all the accessories off of that motor. Intake exhaust and everything's going from that motor to this one. But yeah, we're gonna start ripping some stuff off. So we're not reusing this fan to pulley. The other Jeep has an alternator relocation. The alternator is sitting where the AC clutch is, so that one's modified. So that one off the old motor is going to be going on this motor. So that's why that is coming off. We won't need that. Alternator is going to be different because it's a newer model. Look at this dampener here. The rubber is actually starting to come out. It's so dry rotted. I don't know if the one on the other motor is any good, so we might be placing another order for parts, but I'm not too sure. Mallory thinks she knows what she's doing, but she's actually going the wrong direction.
What? I am?
Yeah. Dude, you're gonna hit yourself in the face with that wrench.
I don't know my directions.
Clearly.
So now the whole bolt's spinning.
That's alright. Oh.
It has to get...
Oh, we're gonna have to take the fan off then. Dang it. If you don't know, these things, they don't make anymore. So good luck trying to find one when you break them. Or when the bearings go bad. But lucky for us, we have this one as a spare.
This little thing?
This whole bracket, the whole bearing. looked inside this motor yet. The oil came out really thick and nasty, so I'm kind of scared to see what the inside looks like, but here we go. Huh. Huh. It's actually not that bad. Holy cow.
The oil was really thick.
Not too bad in there. Wow. All right. Well, that's a good sign. I want to take these spark plugs out too, see what they look like, see if I got to order any spark plugs. Let's see what the first one looks like. I mean, I've seen worse in the off-road Jeep. The gap was awful. These still kind of look like crap, but they're not too bad. We'll run them. Just need to re-gap them. They'll be fine. So we just ran to Menards to get a socket for these special bolts because I'm an idiot and thought I had one. And we picked up this stuff to clean the block. And so far, it's actually working pretty decent. You can see it changing color. So we're cleaning it all because we got some fancy engine paint. We're gonna coat this engine in it. Just to try to stop some rust and make it look good after we re-gasket it. Yeah, we're gonna keep scraping at this thing, get it cleaned up. So then we'll pull the head off and throw a head gasket on and then paint it. And hopefully we're looking good once we get the head off. All right, so Mally started pulling all the rocker arms, push rods out. We got the block pretty clean. Just with all these little wire brushes we used.
This cleaner's good.
And that cleaner. And we used some purple power.
And some water.
And some hot water. We put some hot water in that sprayer. Purple power in that sprayer. Just a little bit of everything. But we're gonna get this head pulled off and replace the head gasket, paint the block, then replace the freeze plugs, and then I don't know what we're gonna do after that.
It just lit again.
We did not know what size it was, so it's actually a half fits the best. We got a half and a 13, but the half fits the best. So that's what we're using. You can take that extension off there. You're not gonna need that. Why is this bolt so weird?
What?
Anyone know why that one's so weird? Long like that?
There's one over there too.
Oh shit, there's a long one over here too. Does this mean it's a 98 block? 98 head? I don't know how you can tell what year it is. It came out of a 97 Cherokee. But our 98 Cherokee, when I pulled the head to do a head gasket, it didn't have any of these style bolts in it. It had just a regular bolt. Kind of weird. But yeah, go ahead and pull them. Mally's gonna have to take the camera, and I might have to try to get this head off of here. And it's gonna be a surprise for all of us to see what it looks like in there. I'm gonna get a rubber now. See how it goes.
That thing's stuck.
This head is solid. Cast. Where can you pry on these things at?
Nowhere?
loose.
You're just lifting whole motor.
We're gonna cheat. Don't try this at home.
Oh, it came loose. Right there it did. Try right there.
I'm sure this is probably the original head gasket.
It's loose on this side.
Oh, was it lifting?
Yeah.
We're gonna finish this.
Oh.
What's this look like? Let's make sure this guy's not cracked before we put it back on too, because I do have another one if this one's bad. Oh no, is that a crack? There. Maybe it's just a scratch.
Look at all the rust.
Mm-hmm.
You could just push it through the holes.
Yeah, a lot of cleaning we're gonna have to do. Alright, let's see what we got here. I'm an idiot and we took the spark plugs out before we cleaned it, which was dumb. And this is an original head gasket.
It's
Go.
garbage it goes.
So this crud here. I guess that's how you tell if it's original head gasket or not. Like it's been cleaned up.
Just put it there.
Let's get our ratchet on the crank. I don't remember what size these things are. 19?
Not that size.
Come on, 18.
Is it the other size I just had?
Put those ones at the top there.
These pistons aren't cracked like the ones that are in his
Well,
Jeep.
we don't know that for sure,
Well,
but it didn't make the knocking noise. Man, I was worried about that.
what?
This motor's sitting for so long. Look at the cylinder walls.
Dang.
I don't know if you can see it on camera. Oof. Not ideal. That's no bueno. Ooh, look at this side.
I know.
Maybe we'll just take some light sandpaper. I don't know what else to do about that. I should have stuck something in the cylinders when we had this motor sitting. It sat for almost a year. It'd be nice if I had a ball hone this size.
You don't have one though.
Not a ball hone, I have a regular hone. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
See that? Why'd that piston not come all the way up?
I don't know.
Oh, that's not good, guys. Not good, not good, not good.
That one's all the way up.
We have a bent rod, I think.
That one's not coming all the way up.
Well, as you can see, that piston's not coming all the way up. This one did. That's not good. Now we might be pulling pistons. This just got worse. It's crazy though, because this motor made no noise and ran perfectly fine. Even after sitting for 2 years with nasty gas in it, it fired right up.
That sucks. We'll be right back. All right. We're gonna attempt to rotate this thing over slowly. Take the oil pan off. Ooh.
Oh, oh.
Yeah, it's gonna fucking piss some shit out. Should probably get some rags and soak up the coolant. Not push the coolant out the garage floor. Ooh, there goes the sludge. Hurry. Oh.
Thick.
Oh no. We should probably get an oil pan.
Hurry.
Oh, God.
That is so thick.
Oh, we are screwed, fellas.
Oh, look at it just coming out of there.
Oh, no.
It's leaking over here, too.
I know. Look at it. Right on the ground.
Oh, my finger.
Oh, look at all the mud still in here.
Oh, dang. That's all. Dang. Where's the screwdriver?
Oil pan bolts are loose and out, I should say. We'll see. When you take that off, just flip it upside down. So if anything... Was it heavy?
My fingers, I can't get it.
Oof. Oof.
Ew.
Oh, man. Probably
Looks
should
like
not have
paint.
let that thing sit with oil in it.
Ew, look at that.
Ew, look at that gooiness.
Ugh.
Son of a
It's
butthole.
still really dirty. My hands have a whole bunch of dirt.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna see
Ew,
what the hell's
that-
going on with this.
That is...
I do not know what is wrong with this, but you can see this piston hasn't been coming to the top for a long time compared to like that cylinder, all the cylinders. You don't feel any play in the rod at all yet. We haven't pulled it out. But what the heck? How do you explain that? We're gonna get the rod out, piston out, and see what can possibly be going on. I'm so confused right now. So we got the rod bearings out. That's the back side of it. I don't know why it looks like that, but front side. The scratches from us, but the thing is cooked, guys. What the hell? That is the rod side. Here's the rod cap. That sucks. We were not expecting this. I'm gonna have to order bearings. And we can't get the freaking piston out. It's stuck. So we're gonna have to figure that part out. Pull all the pistons out, put all new rod bearings. I really don't want to mess with the main bearings. But I wonder if we should just pop a cap and check. Which, since we're here,
Might as well.
we'll pop a cap and look at it. But we gotta try to get this piston out. Pissing me off. Guys, we took number 1 out. Finally got number 2 out.
The inside of number 2 doesn't even
Look at that freaking bend. Like, what the fudge am I gonna do now? I need 1 rod. Look at these pistons, though. They don't even look bad. I don't know if these are original. Still Teflon on them. No cracking. Pistons look good. Need some cleaning. But look at that rod. What the heck? Look at that from the side even. This thing ran fine. That's so weird. Dang it. All right, we got all the pistons out. Numbered them all. And you can see there was some wear in them all. Number 6 is pretty bad. They're all kind of bad. I can't even get this rod cap back on this rod. That's how bad it is. But we're gonna probably soak these in something so they clean up and then inspect for cracks. They don't look like they're cracked, but I don't really know for sure with them all dirty. Like, it's hard to see on camera, but I mean, I don't see anything. So we'll have to get them cleaned up somehow and inspect it, order some bearings, find a rod, and get the piston changed. Don't know if we're gonna try to pull the piston out of the other motor or what. This sucks. Try to get this head cleaned up, all this dirty ass oil out of it. And I don't have the light on me, but the cylinders are pretty rusted. Basically just gonna have to go through this whole thing, get it flushed out. Look at that, down inside there. It's crazy.
It's all dust.
Yeah, that one's got sludge dripping through it. But yeah, we'll get the cylinders cleaned up. No point in painting the block right now. Basically just gonna have to get everything cleaned up and order some more parts. I thought I was being proactive and I ordered this nice cheap engine gasket set. I got freeze plug set for the motor. We got the inlet tube, water pump. If anyone's wondering, I did get wheel studs for the off-road Jeep that are longer because of the disc brake conversion. There they are. Still got the brake hoses to put on the off-road Jeep. Don't know when we're gonna do that. But yeah, gonna get everything cleaned up here. It's probably gonna be a wrap for this video since we have to order parts, which is unfortunate, but until then, wish us luck. We'll see what happens.
Not good.
Not good.